Welcome to ZenBasket. In this video, we will learn how to set up a free shipping method. Extra shipping costs often cause customers to abandon their shopping carts. By offering free shipping option, you can encourage customers to complete their orders and prevent cart abandonment. To enable this feature, go to Plugins menu. In our Plugins, enable the delivery feature. Now, this feature is added into your control panel. Go to the Shipping Pickup menu in the control panel. To create free shipping, click on the Add Delivery button and select the Setup Free Shipping method under the shipping methods available. Enter free shipping in the Name Checkout field, and you can add the description in the Description for Customers field. Specify the minimum order subtotal amount in the minimum order subtotal field at which this shipping option becomes available on your website. If you enter 75 here, the delivery method won't be enabled at checkout for orders below it. By default, the local delivery option is chosen. If you want to provide an estimated delivery date at checkout, enable this, then you need to set an estimated order preparation days and estimated transit days. Enter the order placement time. So all of this will be calculated to give an estimated time of delivery. Under Delivery Region, select the All Destinations if you ship worldwide, or choose the Advanced settings to provide this shipping for particular zones. To know more about the zones, check the link in the description below. Here, I'm choosing All Destinations. In the section Shipping Rate based on, choose the shipping cost to be applied based on subtotal or discounted price plus tax. Here, I am choosing subtotal and click on Save button. The free shipping is now saved successfully. Now let's see the shipping method under Current Delivery Methods. By enabling the shipping method, it will be displayed on the website. If you want to make any changes in shipping, click on the Edit icon. To delete the shipping method, click on the Remove icon. You can search for a specific shipping method using the search bar. Let's see how a customer can process this. On placing an order above 75, your customer will have free shipping. When the customer chooses the shipping method, the expected delivery date will be displayed. That's it. By following these steps, you have set up a free shipping method and prevented cart abandonment due to high shipping costs. To know more, visit our help article. Make sure you like, subscribe, and get notified so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Let us know if you have any queries. Thanks for your support